Hi, it's March 24, 2026, and it's 2 months away from our board exam. And 2 months from now, I will be taking the Sepale May 2026. Right now, I feel like I didn't have enough preparation yet. Preparation. I feel like wala pa ako sa akong, what do you call this? I don't have my flow yet. I'm not in the state that grabe jud kay mo tuon. I don't know. I will try my best. I will try my very best because I feel like there is chance. And God is actually preparing me for something greater than what I could imagine, greater than my expectations, greater than my ability, my strength, my boundaries, like greater than my limit. No, I have a lot of thoughts. I have a lot of distractions. Daghan kayo ko huna-huna, and I cannot focus at all. If I am very bothered, I tend to do things that will distract me so that di ko na siya maiisip, but iisipin ko na naman siya after. So right now, I have backlogs sa akong journal, and I'm trying my best to write every thought that will come into my mind. But now I have like 2 months. What can I do sa 2 months? And dili pa dyan na siya every day. So I have like less than a month. Less than 2 months to prepare. Lord, kakayanin to. The thing is, hindi ako wala man lang akong ginawa. So I have to study hard. I really have to study hard. I can't wait for me to be serious about this. I mean, I'm very serious about this. Think about from first year up until now, no? I graduated last January. And I prepared ako sa board exam. Wala ako na prepare. I feel like, I don't know. Should I cry? I should cry. Yeah. I have an assessment tomorrow. RFPT and tax. And I don't like talks. Ever. But I will try my best. Let's do this. Kaya natin to. You know what? 2 months. God can even do something. One day. God can do something. Split seconds. God is able. And then 2 months. Bro, ang rami pwede mangyari sa 2 months. God will do something in your life sa 2 months. Magseryoso na ka. Every day, you will study. I will study. I will study na.